hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new and you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, now is your time to do so, because within the next 4 weeks I'm going to be announcing a massive giveaway on my channel in collaboration with 3 other YouTubers, and I cannot wait to share with you what I've bought so far. I'm just so excited. You guys don't want to miss it. Make sure you subscribe because it will be a requirement to win the giveaway. But yes, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you do, because honestly, it's going to be amazing. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the show me a picture of challenge slash trend that's going on at the moment. I really love watching these videos, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna have to do my own. So that is what I'm doing. I asked you guys over on my Instagram to send in what you'd like to see, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because then you can be involved in future videos like this one. But yeah, I'm so excited, I'm nervous, I'm scared. I've seen some of the questions, so I am going to be reading them off my phone and showing you guys deep within my camera roll. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first one is the best gift you've ever received. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've received many a good gift. Especially this past year, I've had a lot of lovely gifts and it is very hard to choose. I have the beautiful necklace that Ryan bought me for my birthday, which I love. I'm wearing it now. I always wear it and I love it. But to be honest, I think I'm going to have to go with my Billie Joe Armstrong Green Day replica guitar from 1994. It was such a shock. I didn't expect it and I love it. So that is what my best gift I've ever received is. I think it's amazing. If you guys have seen my guitar collection video, you will know that I am obsessed with it. I love it, and if you want to see an up close kind of video of it, go and watch that video. But yeah, that would have to be the best gift I've ever received, I think. Until I get a dog anyway, that's the best gift. So the next one is favourite haircut, and I could go back to 2014, 2015 and show you guys when I had pink and purple and that kind of hair, and I do love those, I'm not gonna lie. But a more recent one I would have to say is this one. This is when my friend Flo did my hair, and it was just so beautiful and exactly how I envisioned it. And I was just beyond happy with it. So she smashed it, I loved it, and I am annoyed that I dyed my hair because I only dyed it to match my extensions. That's literally the only reason. So I would still have this hair if it wasn't for that, and I had that done in October. So yeah, I was obsessed with that and I loved it. The next one is you at the beach, and the most recent photo I have of me at the beach was probably this one. This is when we went to Swanage. It was so beautiful and I love the beach. I love the whole vibe of the beach. We had fish and chips and it was just so lovely, and it was such a lovely day. It's quite far away from where I live, so it took a little while to get there, but it was definitely worth it in my opinion. I really loved it, and that was back in June, so that was just before me and Ryan actually got together. So yeah, love that. Had a great day, and it was just such a beautiful sunny day and I loved it. So yeah, that's me at the beach. So the next one is your favourite Disney picture at Halloween, and I'd have to go with this one. This is when me and Holly met Jack Skellington, and now I'm not gonna lie, this was hard because we have met quite a few cool characters. We got to meet the Ugly Stepsisters and that kind of thing, and that was really cool. But I remember this interaction just being really fun and having a really good time. So this is probably gonna be my favourite, and I loved our outfits on this day. We had kind of a slight Disney bound going on. I had my Beauty and the Beast jacket on with my bell ears. Holly had like a Tangled vibe going on, and it was just great. And it wasn't that cold, so yeah, I'd have to go for this one. That was really fun. The next one is an unseen photo of me and Ryan. Now this is hard because we don't take a lot of photos, and when we do take photos, I usually put them on Instagram. But I did dig out one, and it was this one. This was when me and Ryan dressed up as Harley Quinn and the Joker, and I absolutely loved this. I thought this was just so fun. I loved it. I think we smashed it, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this was in my room literally just before we left, and it was just really fun. So yeah, that is probably one of the unseen photos. All the other ones I look like a toe, so I'm not going to show you those. The next one is first ever Disney picture. Now this was really hard because I went to Disney at first, I think I was anywhere between 2 and 4. I'm not too sure, I can't actually remember. So a lot of my photos for that are actually on physical photos, which are under my bed, so I'm not going to get those out. However, I did find on my camera roll a photo of me, my nan, and Genie from Aladdin when we went to Disney. I reckon I must have been about 4 or 5, maybe. I'm not too sure. I don't really know how old I was in this picture, but firstly, I love this picture because it's got my nan in it, who sadly passed away a few years ago, but I also love the fact that I've got an entire outfit dedicated to The Little Mermaid, because that is still my favourite Disney film now, but I just love the fact I've got some absolute classic jelly shoes on, a really cute outfit, and it's just a 10 out of 10 for me. And yeah, this was probably one of the first Disney trips I went on, so yeah, great memories, great picture, and I'm not gonna lie, Mum, great outfit. 10 out of 10, I love that. The next one is Baby Melody. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I don't have a lot of baby photos on my phone of myself because, again, they're all on actual photos, because back when I was younger, that's how you take pictures on like a disposable camera. You get them printed and stuff like that. However, I did find a few photos that my uncle sent me. I think he was cleaning out his house and he found some photos of me when I was a baby. So this is the first one. This is me rocking a cap and drinking some squash out of a bottle, because from what I can remember of being young, I don't think I really had a lot of milk like in the bottle. That just wasn't my vibe. I don't really drink milk on its own now. However, if that is apple and blackcurrant squash, then I remember drinking that. So yeah, this is me. I'm holding a cookie, I've got my squash. I'm living the best life really, but yeah, again, great outfit, good coordination there, Mum, on the outfit. Love that. And I also have another picture which I thought was really cute, and I'd show you that, and it's me in my nan's garden. I think this is my nan's garden, I would assume so, and I've got a really cute dress on. My mum has styled my hair. I kind of have like a weird haircut here, I don't really know what's going on, but I've got some really cute frilly socks on and some little shoes, and I love it. So yeah, and I've got some little cycling shorts on, so great outfit, and I love that. So I'm not too sure when that was, I couldn't tell you, but that is me as a baby. So I don't look anything like that now. I mean, I don't think I do, but let me know. But yeah, that's me as a baby. The next one is Your Boyfriend. Now, you guys have seen Ryan. He's been in 2 videos and I think you guys really enjoyed it. However, this is him. This is me and him at Starbucks. If you guys haven't seen him or haven't watched those videos, go and watch them. They are really funny. But yeah, this is him. So if you haven't seen him, this is Ryan and me having a Starbucks. I had a iced caramel macchiato in case you were wondering. So yeah, that is us at Starbucks. The next one is Your Lush collection. Now, you guys are in for a treat, because after I film this video, I am going to be filming my entire Lush collection, which I've been putting off for the past few years. I haven't ever found a way to film it, and I still don't think I have, but I think it's time for me to show you my entire collection all in one video. And I am a little bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie, because I really hope it comes out okay, and I am saying this now and putting it into the universe, but yeah, it's coming. So the next video will be my Lush collection, and I'm really scared, so yeah, I'm not going to show you it now because that would be cheating, but next video you'll see my whole collection. The next one is favourite Disney character that you've met, and I'm going to take this from when I went to Disney with Holly the first time and the last time. I'm not going to include it when I was really young because I don't have any photos for starters, and also I feel like I don't really remember that as well. I mean, I got to meet Ariel and the photos for that are so cute, but from the past few years I would have to say it would be Mickey Mouse because he's an absolute classic. He is the OG, and I feel like, I don't know, I just really enjoyed meeting him. It was just really magical and amazing, and I could list you off so many amazing meet and greets that me and Holly have had with characters, and ones that I really enjoyed, but this one I just felt like completely magical, and like it just felt so amazing. So I'd have to say when we met, Mickey Mouse was my favourite. The next one is actually from Holly, and she has requested to see a photo of us that makes me laugh, and I'm not gonna lie to you, Holly Hearn, I don't have any pictures that are funny on my phone of us, but I do have this video and it makes me laugh. Firstly, because of your face in it, you just look so serious. Secondly, because I remember that we were both sat in the hallways at Disney on the floor because our feet really hurt, and this video just makes me laugh. It's just so random. I don't really understand the context. I don't really know what was going on. I think we were just delirious and tired, so that makes me laugh, and I love it, and I miss you, so yeah. The next question is favourite shoes. Now, you guys know Doc Martens are my all-time favourites. I love them so much, and I don't have a photo in my favourite pair because I don't really know what my favourite pair is. However, I have this photo of me wearing the, what are they called? The Bethans, I think, and I've got frilly socks on, and I just loved this whole outfit, so I've popped this in because I just felt really cool in this outfit this day, and I loved it, and those shoes are great. It just completes the outfit, I think. So yeah, this is my favourite outfit. This was back in October. I can't really say much more about it. I just really like this outfit, and I really like the shoes, so yeah, those are my favourite shoes. The next one was from my friend Becky, and she has requested to see a photo of my favourite mini human, which is her daughter Madison. She's my little princess, and I love her so much, and I miss her so much because I haven't seen her in over a year because of Corona. I literally haven't seen her in over a year. So this is a picture of her when she was about, I want to say, a month and a half old-ish, back in 2017. So she's grown up so much, but yeah, I used to pick her up when I used to be at work and like dance around, and it was just really fun, and I miss her so much. So yeah, she's my favourite mini human, 100%. The next one is me at my happiest. Now this was really hard because the past year I've had many ups and downs, but especially since being with Ryan and understanding a really good, healthy, happy relationship, I've been the happiest I've ever been. So I've just picked a picture of me and Ryan from Christmas because Christmas Day was great. I gave him a present, and I had that present since August, and it was just so fun and amazing, and he got to meet my nan, and it was just such an amazing day, and I absolutely loved it. So yeah, this is from me and Ryan on Christmas Day, and I was definitely at my happiest since being with him. So yeah, cheesy, I know, but I'm just being honest. The next question is you at your lowest when nobody knew, and obviously I briefly just touched on it, and I'm not going to go into detail, but a year ago I went through a breakup and I was not in a good place, and then me and Holly, about 2 weeks after my breakup, or 3 weeks after, went to Birmingham. I had the best day. We went to the big Primark and we had a little mooch about, and it was amazing, but I just wasn't in a good place mentally here. I'd lost quite a bit of weight, and yeah, but I had a really great day, so it was very like up and down, but that was definitely when I was at my lowest, but I am great now, just so you know. And the last one is from my friend Emma, and she requested to see a photo of me, her, Flo and Ben, and I actually don't really have many of us all together. I can't seem to find any on my phone, so the only one I've got is when me, Flo and Emma went to the beach. This was July 2018. It was a beautifully hot, sunny day. We had our bikinis on, we were having a great time, and it was just such a wonderful day. I really, really enjoyed it. We had fish and chips on the beach, and it was just amazing, and I miss them so much. And Ben, I miss you, and I'm sorry you're not in this picture, but we'll have to get some photos when we can finally see each other, and we should all go to the beach because it was such a lovely day. So yeah, that was probably one of my favourite days, and I miss them so much. So yeah, so that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. It was something a little bit different. I don't tend to do videos that are on trend or anything like that, but I really wanted to do this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed anyway. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.